In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import bills into Xero. We'll walk through the CSV import process using Xero's template so your bills come in cleanly and consistently. Start by heading to xero.com in your browser. Once you're in your organization, navigate to the main menu and open purchases. This is where all your supplier bills and spend activity live, so it's the right place to begin. Inside purchases, choose bills. You'll see your current bills list, but we're going to bring in multiple bills at once. Look for the new bill drop down at the top right. Instead of creating a single bill manually, open that drop down to access the bulk options and choose import from CSV. This tells Xero you want to upload a file rather than key in details one by one. Before you upload anything, download the bills template file provided here. This template is important because it includes the exact column headers and structure Xero expects. Don't rename or delete any headers, and don't add extra columns. Keeping the template intact helps Xero recognize each field correctly. Next, copy your bills into the Xero template. Paste or enter each bill's details into the matching columns, such as supplier name, invoice number, invoice date, due date, description, quantity, unit amount, account code, tax rate, and any reference you use. Be consistent with dates, use valid account codes from your chart of accounts, and make sure supplier names match your existing contacts in Xero to avoid duplicates. If you use tracking categories, enter them exactly as they appear in your organization. Save the file as a CSV when you're done. Now, return to the import screen and upload the updated template file. Xero will read the CSV and prepare the data for review. During this step, you'll be asked whether you'd like to update contact address details. Choose this if you want the import to refresh supplier addresses from the file. Leave it off if you prefer to keep what's already in Xero. You'll also be asked whether the unit amount field is tax inclusive or exclusive. Select inclusive if the amounts you entered already include tax, or exclusive if tax should be added on top based on the tax rate you specified. Choosing the correct option ensures your totals, tax, and line items calculate accurately. When everything looks right, click confirm. Xero will finish the import and create your bills in bulk. That's it. Your bills are now in Xero, ready for review, approval, and payment.